It's playoff time. The Gwadar Sharks have to show the same intensity throughout as they wallop the Mardan Warriors. Led by the stroke play of Luke Benkenstein.
Is he going to push on all the way? This is huge.
And the first fifer of the tournament from Saad Masood. The Sharks are on a high.
There is another one. So he's picked up a fifer.
They meet up with the bruised Royals team with the batting of Basit Ali and Tayyab Arif. Along with the pace of Zishan, they seem a potent side. Who will become the first team to be the finalists of the Pakistan Junior League? Only time will tell. Let's play.